Today I'm going to show you some of the enhancements we've made to emitters in version 9.1 of LORENTZ. I have a simple model with a number of line segments and arcs, and you'll also see that 4 of the arcs actually form a surface. Now I'll show you that I've already defined some emitters. First thing you may notice is that now emitters are shown as cones indicating their direction, and also they have different colors. Different emitters have different colors. Also, you may have noticed that 2 of the line segments and 2 of the arcs are emitters. This is something else which is new. We now have segment emitters. I'll open the emitters dialog box, and you'll notice that the size of the cones has changed. Emission number 1 has been selected in the emitters list, and its cones are larger. This is a surface emitter. If I click on emission number 4, that's a point emitter, and now its cone appears larger. Emission 2 consists of 2 line segments, and emission 3 consists of 2 arcs. So we have the option to create new emitters defined by surfaces or defined by points, and now defined by segments. So now I'll create a new emitter by selecting segments, and I'll pick these 2 horizontal segments. And the initial direction is random. If you want to have a random launching from a filament, this is a handy option. Or you can specify a number of directions. I'm just going to specify a fixed direction in the Z direction. And you notice this has a color blue. You could change the color if you wish. Okay. I'll also show you now how to edit an emitter by adding new segments to it. I'll pick the emission number 3, which is defined by 2 arcs, and I'll add the other 2 arcs to it. So now we'll add, and you notice it retains the original direction of the other emitters. Also, you'll notice that beside each emitter in the emission list, there's a checkbox. So by deselecting the checkboxes, you limit the number of emitters that will be used in any particular beam analysis, but you do not have to delete emitters. You can always save them for future use. And finally, one of the advantages of having color-coded emitters is you can now specify in the trajectory solver setup that the appearance of the beams can be colored according to the emitters.